Alright, what's going on YouTube? As you can hear, there's a drone running, and right now you can see that we have a star filter on this little Mini. So this video is all about the star filter, and the star filter is pretty cool.
Take off. Addy mode.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? As you can hear, there's a drone running, and right now you can see that we have a star filter on this little Mini. So this video is all about the Mavic Mini filter set from JRC and the different kinds of effects you can get. This is a star filter, and the star filter is pretty cool. You can see it right there, and I'm going to fly a little higher, and then the light should go away. There it is. So the Mini is set to -3.0 on the EV value, but there's a boom, the star filter effect. Pretty nice, right? So that is the star filter. I'm going to increase the EV value to -2.3, and I'm going to go increase it again to a -1.7, and I'm going to go all the way to -1.0, and there's the 1.0, guys. Alright, I'm going to hit it with the second light. Boom. As you can see, it is a pretty cool looking effect. Alright, so let's go ahead and land this little guy, and then we'll change the filters out and move to the next set of filters.
Landing.
See what it looks like with the Christmas tree. So it looks like it's not popping. Push the camera up. You can see my doggy sleeping there. Alright guys, so this is the Christmas tree at -1.0. And you can see that you get really nice starry effect, right? So what do you guys think of the filter? Very cool little filter.